Looking to Washington for you now. There will be a showdown in the Senate today over abortion, and Democrats are trying to pass a federal law guaranteeing the right to an abortion.
It is a response to that leaked Supreme Court opinion, which appears to show the court is about to strike down Roe versus Wade. NBC's Chris Pallone joins us now live from Washington with the latest. Chris, good morning.
Dave and Carmen, good morning to you. With this vote today all but certain to fail, Democrats are pressing forward anyway, knowing full well that the midterm elections are not far off.
Thank you. Okay.
Congressional Democrats with a warning ahead of today's planned vote on the Women's Health Protection Act.
We are going to remember everyone who votes against the right to an abortion. And this November, we'll use our voices and our votes. We're not going to let anyone forget.
Abortion is
The bill would prohibit states from placing restrictions on access to abortion, a response to that leaked Supreme Court opinion indicating the High Court is likely to strike down Roe versus Wade. But today's vote will be largely symbolic. Democrats don't have the 60 votes needed to break a Republican filibuster.
If the MAGA Republicans get their way, young girls will grow up in a world where if they become pregnant because of rape, they will have no choice but to carry their rapist's child. Can you imagine?
I think the widespread sentiment of my conference is that this issue will be dealt with at the state level.
In some places, it already is.
We're doing everything we can to stand up on behalf of the reproductive rights of all of our citizens.
Connecticut, the latest state to pass an abortion-related law protecting providers from being sued or criminally charged by another state. Legislatures in nearly half the country have passed laws this year either to restrict access to abortion or to expand it, with an eye on the Supreme Court and its final ruling likely to come late next month. And as of right now, West Virginia Senator Joe Manchin is the only Democrat who has not said how he plans to vote later on today. Carmen and Dave, back to you.
Hey, Chris, if the Republicans ultimately take back Congress and the White House, do they plan to seek a federal nationwide ban on abortion?
My NBC News colleagues who cover Capitol Hill have been talking to Republican lawmakers about that very issue. While many admit that it is something that they have discussed and they are exploring, they say there are no firm plans to do that just yet. Right now, if Roe is overturned, they plan to leave it up to the states.
Okay, Chris Pallone live for us in Washington. Thank you.